A fear of spiders is very real, and then these fears become reality when you cross the Goliath bird-eating spider. The mere sight of these spiders makes the hair stand up on the back of my neck, and at about the size of a puppy, these spiders are something out of science fiction. But they're real. Solitary in nature, these spiders will come out during your nighttime stroll, and they like to spend their time in the beautiful rainforests of the world. In this video I will share with you 7 amazing fun facts about Goliath bird-eater. Before we begin, we published new videos daily, so be sure to subscribe this channel for the great content. Without delay, let's start. Goliath bird-eater spiders are a local cuisine and are said to taste like these guys have their hair singed off. The name of the Goliath bird-eating spider is misleading because these spiders eat anything, including the hapless mouse that wanders too close, or earthworms, frogs, and other small invertebrates. This spider eats whatever it can find. These spiders can easily eat frogs, lizards, and birds. The fangs of this spider are large enough to pierce a mouse's skull. Scientists state that a bite from these spiders is akin to driving a nail through your hand. The hair on the front of the spider's body has hooks and barbs, and when they rub against each other, they make a hissing sound. Goliath spiders have 8 eyes, but even with all of these eyes, the spider doesn't see well. Vibrations on the ground and in the air are the main way that the Goliath spider is able to sense their surroundings. Please hit like and subscribe our channel for more amazing content in the future.